When it comes to miniature tech with character, the Tiny TV 2 and the Tiny TV Mini deliver an unbeatable punch. Roughly the size of a matchbox, these fully functional TVs arrive preloaded with videos and ready to entertain straight out of the box. No assembly needed, just flip the switch and enjoy. Whether you opt for the nostalgia of the Tiny TV 2 or the unbelievably small Tiny TV Mini, you're stepping into a world of charm and functionality. Bathed in a charming pastel glow, the Timesgate Classic Pink adds a refined touch to any setup. From the moment it powers on, this elegant clock captures attention with its soft hue and seamless aesthetic. Plugging in the power cord is simple and clean. No clutter, just a streamlined design that blends functionality with style. In just seconds, the display springs to life. Using the top-mounted control buttons, users can switch between animations that match their mood, setting a tone that transforms the room. Futuristic function meets bold design in this powerhouse charging companion. The Alpha 65-watt USB-C fast charger delivers a striking presence on any desk or nightstand, doubling as an eye-catching tech collectible and an ultra-efficient charging device. Its clever transforming design allows it to sit when powering up your gear or stand tall like a miniature mech when idle, offering both versatility and visual appeal. More than just its looks, the Alpha 65 is built for serious performance. The Zhiyun Molus X100 is a compact powerhouse designed for serious creators. Weighing just 0.85 pounds and boasting a 100-watt maximum output, it provides unmatched versatility for a variety of tasks, from photography to video production. Despite its small size, the X100 delivers professional-grade lighting, ensuring vibrant and consistent results wherever you go. Equipped with a unique live mode, the X100 enables seamless lighting setups, making it perfect for solo operators or fast-paced environments. The Laundry Turtle Collapsible Laundry Basket is a practical and revolutionary solution for handling laundry in your home. With its 26-inch large size, this innovative foldable hamper offers generous space for all your washing needs. Designed to simplify laundry chores, it allows you to easily grab and carry dirty clothes or move them from the washer to the dryer with minimal effort. Crafted for convenience, the Laundry Turtle collapses down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store and saving valuable space. Powering through city streets or rugged paths, the MDT Mini four-wheel e-scooter transforms your everyday commute into an all-terrain experience. Its dual 500-watt motors are fueled by a 48-volt 30-amp-hour lithium battery, unleashing a peak output of 1440 watt-hours, enough to glide effortlessly across steep inclines or rough terrain. With a cruising range of up to 62 miles, this compact powerhouse eliminates the stress of constant recharging, making it ideal for both short trips and extended adventures. Versatility meets precision in this tactically engineered carry system built for those who demand efficiency without compromise. Constructed with adaptability in mind, the design features more than 30 strategically placed pockets to ensure every tool, gadget, or accessory finds its rightful place. The clamshell opening unfolds a full 180 degrees, giving you complete access in seconds, ideal for on-the-go professionals, digital nomads, or gear-heavy creatives. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend hike, a late-night campsite jam, or unexpected roadside repairs, the Flamp U1 is engineered to handle it all, combining cutting-edge illumination with rugged audio performance in one compact EDC essential. Built for adventurers who value versatility without compromise, this all-in-one flashlight and Bluetooth speaker redefines how you prepare for the unknown. With a blazing 2,300 lumen main beam and a secondary adjustable light, visibility never takes a back seat. In a world saturated by flat screens and filtered media, Looking Glass Portrait unlocks a powerful portal into three-dimensional storytelling. Designed for boundary pushers, visual artists, designers, filmmakers, and photographers, this cutting-edge holographic display transforms everyday creative work into luminous spatial narratives. It arrives fully equipped with a preloaded demo reel, offering an immediate taste of the possibilities without the need for setup or downloads. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Engineered for those who demand more from their gear, the Act Max M Stand redefines everyday carry essentials. Crafted from premium titanium, this lightweight, corrosion-resistant tool offers durability without compromise. More than just a bold necklace pendant, the M Stand folds out effortlessly into a sturdy stand for your phone or tablet, keeping your tech upright whether you're on a mountain trail or in a bustling coffee shop. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. Elevate your photography game with the Beetle Camera Clip V2, engineered for rugged efficiency. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, this clip maintains a featherweight profile at just 0.2 pounds, yet boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 66 pounds. Designed for versatility, it accommodates strap widths up to 2.95 inches and thicknesses ranging between 0.04 and 0.59 inches, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The Revolve Tray Box offers a sleek, functional solution for organizing your essential everyday items. Crafted from 100% beechwood, this tray exudes quality, delivering both style and practicality. With dimensions of 7.8 by 5.1, 2 by 3.07 inches, it is spacious enough to hold your daily EDC gear, such as keys, glasses, and wallets, without overwhelming your workspace. In the world of premium spirits, ice is more than a detail, it's a defining element. For years, we made do with cloudy cubes from standard fridge trays and budget machines. The result? Icy drinks that reeked of freezer burn and melted into watery shadows of their intended taste. That wasn't acceptable. Not for those who savor every note in a single malt or bourbon. We explored faster machines, sleeker models, but they fell short. The ice came out brittle, hollow, or too quick to disappear. Built for a new era of mobility, the AUVO Lirpe R1 redefines what an electric scooter can be. As the world's first solar charging electric scooter, it sets a high bar with cutting-edge innovation and practical design. Featuring a removable 36-volt/7.8 amp-hour battery, the Lirpe R1 allows convenient, separate charging, portable, secure, and effortless. Even better, the detachable battery doubles as a rugged outdoor light. Beneath the punishing sun, relief doesn't come easy, unless you're wearing the U-Quality wearable air conditioner cooling vest. Designed for peak performance in brutal heat, this advanced cooling vest drops your core body temperature fast, up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, starting from the spine outward. Feel the chill sweep across your back in just 3 seconds, transforming sweltering conditions into manageable moments. Whether you're working a construction site or grinding through summer shifts outdoors, this vest turns overheating into high-efficiency cool. The Fine Day 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.2 2-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. A breath of crisp, cool air is never far away, with this powerful unit delivering up to 10,000 BTU per hour of cooling strength. Whether braving outdoor heat or seeking refuge in a sun-soaked room, it brings immediate relief with a temperature range adjustable between 62.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed to fit seamlessly into windows or to operate effortlessly in outdoor spaces. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. The amzn.to stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the amzn.to is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Huneet transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Huneet sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's Wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Navigating everyday life no longer requires compromise with the Shuo Bro. Designed to handle curbs, single steps, and full staircases, Bro's advanced track system powers you up and down straight stairs smoothly and securely. Whether indoors or outdoors, you remain in full control, free from unnecessary detours. Bro's dynamic two-wheel drive offers unparalleled maneuverability, effortlessly crossing surfaces and obstacles up to 2 inches high. Gliding through water with power and precision, the Edge K4 redefines your kayaking and diving experience. Built for adventurers who demand speed, control, and intelligent engineering, this underwater scooter weighs just 2.2 pounds but delivers up to 19.8 pounds of thrust. Its lightweight profile hides serious capability. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with smart devices, while intuitive controls offer unmatched precision steering beneath the surface. Step into a new realm of daily cleansing with a breakthrough designed for precision and performance. The Mise Micro Bubble Showerhead, engineered in Japan, delivers a spa-grade experience from the comfort of home. Unlike conventional showers, it generates microscopic bubbles that reach deep into pores, lifting away dirt and oil without the need for harsh scrubbing or excessive soap. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The Jisu Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute,